McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to cano, yet the bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano, yet the bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello, Ghana. This is your sweet, your empress, your original. I mean, you're versatile. You're lovely. I mean, you're a good year. I mean, you know, you're wonderful. Me mo akwa baba McBrown's kitchen. Ene aduane pa ede. Sa kitchen we. Ye wo koba wa ase. Ye wo sie. Inti ye tupe tanyenyenye be bia ye ko. McBrown's kitchen aduane pa ede. Ai, kasanoma, masa baby o. Ene me jadi atwa wo fie dia na ye aduane na ye ba benno a ane munim dada ene so me guest no or ye young, intelligent, lovely, sweet and also na okasa otunubusa ansana maka o de me ina dia kire wa obeti ase McBrown's kitchen aduane pede mama fa asida kese ema high sense the product back on here amcom into rice and showroom biana hu amcom no shaking yeah dia be bia quality wa wati ase ya ye nie yes nie I mean yes nie high sense everywhere everyday prices for everyday people and then tasty tom me medium more jollof me aka body no aso I mean go back from head to toe McBrown's kitchen hey from head to toe I was afọ no mo ani ajo ho no anam de nam a me hu se me nyini o se de I mean never say that until the bones are rotten and na me ho ayefepa na say wo hwe me nie me mpaboa na me fa free form me mpaboa die every sneakers paradise kuma se kwa me nyame nhiraw na matade yi me lace free Julico opposite fire service makola Julico na mame lace enna Nicolin GH etwitwa me style menim Aligina enna me trinwi Impact Salon but me me crew ye bedidi intino konyonyo GH page aduane papa wo de ko onyonyo oni maduane yan kasa sanatia ansana la Palm Royal Beach pacho matade ntma me nyera bakakra ye twa ho abasesia McBrown's kitchen aduane pede.
Today I am hosting the family. And as usual, the ones who judge everything you do will also be there. Like Uncle Nee, the school judge.
I think you should put the children in another school, okay?
Auntie Ama, the behavior judge.
You are too lenient with them.
And my sister-in-law, the fashion judge.
Sister, you cannot dress like that, oh.
Though people sometimes feel differently, you must be strong and confident in your decisions. But one thing they'll always agree on is the delicious taste of your cooking. With its rich color and thick paste, Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix is strengthened with fiber and vitamins to provide delicious and nutritious meals for the whole family. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
High sense fridge, entry power, Emo Kabia. Yes, I saw 5 years warranty.
Yeah, gas and electric cooker so there. Stainless steel and your dear surno and Renachi. Nesu kitchen, what you so chrome. 18th April, adequacy 8th May. And your high sense double promo. Everything 18th April, adequacy 8th May, and your high sense double promo. Fridge, any cookano, ya tete so.
Who high sense showroom bia? Ya tete so mama say who. High sense, still everyday prices for everyday people.
2351251.
McBrown's McBrown's kitchen ediane pa day ebusuafo ya ready afei na me beda me guest nedi and this beautiful young lady here is so fantastic in everything, especially comedy. Now, no, as a style, no, they, I mean, him as a slow motion, it's slow motion, sexy. I mean, but what I did so. I think Sasana and Nia United, Mummy Mana Quaba, Naviasano, the only me piano, ye. Hey, girl, you are born home with empire, may Yadana and Cassa. And Minnie. Ahuof3 Patri ene ebe nuaduane ane banidi pa de Priscilla Opoku Agyeman ane nana Agyeman McBrown mama welcome Priscilla Opoku Agyeman Ahuof3 Patri aka Mrs. Calibos yeah we be akra me fe eti se Patri Patri watch me. And I'm so much now what to say? Hey, Patri, you why
Thank you. What's
MiPROMO, you come on. Me let's see dear. Julico Neton. Makola Julico, opposite fire service. I actually master Neton.
Hey, I see. I see
Imagine, Bona. I can know. Patri, and let them in the kitchen at 12.
Maba.
Inti ene yaba popo. Hey, we are said the only beer ye. Mean Jinny Patruko school say, oh, be comedy and also be film.
Actually,
Minimum school, but minimum for
directing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now then, I feel the wabeje camera and imagine.
Acting there, yeah, I didn't know me personally, but I also like to direct. I also like to write a lot.
Okay.
Acting was at that time, there wasn't really a school for acting.
Yes.
Into now, me say okay, then let me try and make money off the writing and directing.
Into true stories, kaka.
Yes.
I be near here, and I be a man.
Out here, your best artist soon.
Your best artist soon.
Hopefully, many kind of makes me a casting now.
No, I casting you. Don't worry, don't. So say the McBrown's kitchen, yeah, very closer than me cry na me doing, don't worry. Yet me a free, yet me a check. What I say, no. So
free I was so with
just say, Uber to me, I may met me in free. And I met me so I just
was so Jessica.
Banja Cacramin in now. I was a walk. Yeah, share and chair. You share John and John said so. Yes, she shall baby, but I had ye. Yeah, you were trying to monosonian radio and this is your answer. Patri, you have me spaghetti wa me tasty tom wa me ye be yeden
spaghetti and minced meat stew.
Spaghetti and minced meat stew.
Yeah. Some people will call it Bolognese.
Spaghetti
That's Italian.
Bolognese.
Yeah.
Wow. Where do show you age group na
shabu sisia
ni and the patrian way and sasia quick. Yan run a quick neja.
Thank you.
Yan fan so. Nti se ne wo hweyan na se unim Bolognese ya. Bolognese. Spaghetti Bolognese. Okay, Ahuof3. Yen share ingredients I the best spaghetti and Bolognese.
We have onions, jene, meko, akekedro, carrots, green pepper,
fresh tomatoes,
spring onions. We have basil for flavor. Your spaghetti.
You can't basil. I'm confused.
Yes, spaghetti. We have butter, cheese, of course our oil, our minced meat, and then we have a glass of wine.
A glass of wine. Wow. And now you spaghetti, you a tasty tom spaghetti. Yes, and then no be na ide baba here. Okay. Into your fancy chef.
Yes, that's it.
Yes, that's the same.
Into you be choppy onions.
You be choppy onions now. Eguha.
Debbie. Okay, you blend it near the bay meat first. Okay, thank you.
You blend it near the bay meat first. Okay. Into you for me patch off a pen, no paper. Now, I start to recording no.
You be
choppy. Yes, my mom knife.
Okay. Me small one.
Small one. Okay.
And never coming.
Me knife. I know you're nampa. You know. Be careful. You be choppy. I blend it. Yeah. Okay. You know. The kind of Ebe choppy. Yeah, choppy onions. Nah, yeah, blend it. Okay. Okay. Wait, a bit too many, don't worry. A bit too many cry. Wow. Ahuof3 Patri, wait, the Ghana from my me, I no one choosing a diane. Why no pair choosing a diane? Ahuof3 say quite a bank, quite so uncabe.
Oh, come here, Dodo. For phone in ABI mean to me, but.
Want to mean what for?
Me, shut down him, Cassa.
Yahoo, baby, I want to know. We should have knew for 4 I didn't turn nails in it, and I said, And now, mammy, pay for 4.
Ma'am, on my radio, mammy dear,
Or crop for Dodo. Unquano or banner.
Minquan neighbor. And see.
Wait. Unquano, mammy, ba.
Patri.
And I own your crop because I'm a woman.
Mamma, did me
Ahuof3 Patri. Penawase, every say, no mammy ba. Entra, Ghana for Safe Momo. No kwani or mammy ba. No another oba, no another bema. Oh, mammy ba, but your men fancy a cream one. I'll be
it's way big.
Or some men kwani never. Into your choppy. Yeah, garlic. Yeah, onion. Okay. Now, yeah. Okay. Yeah, we. Indeed, young 5 minutes, just young nephew, apart from chopping. Are you ready?
Pachomenya bigger bowl. Now you mix it.
Bigger bowl. Okay. Bigger bowl. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but mix it with
the garlic and the ginger.
Okay.
Pachomenya spices, kakra.
Open beef.
Beef, yeah.
It's more beef. Okay. Minazen. Ahuof3 say one time for being Johnny. Memobi. Kokashe. Lady one dance.
Matty.
We are in the way so far. And one.
One year okay.
1 year okay.
You blended it.
Okay. Interfere day. Yeah.
Ginger.
Yeah, ginger, garlic, onion, no. Ebegum. Wow.
Okay. So you just mix it all together?
You mix it all together. Okay. Spaghetti bolognese. Wow, mama dini am fan chame enye fufuo ne ebunobra ko kawi.
Okay. Nti ye di besi ho.
Ye di besi ho kaka ma men kata so.
All right.
Be o sa. Wow, Ahuof3 Patri. Unkwano ma me ba. Hey, and there's so cool location of a sir.
Me say about 10 na me be fie penny I start say frame.
Oh ma me fie o way. Ya wo da bay.
Me a Tuesday.
Abna. Ye ma abna o way. Eno asa no be kan. Na abna. Yo, na abna. Ye nkwa.
It say you best starting a stew no. So we'll cut the onions.
Okay. Wow.
Empress, but yes. You for you kakre being good saucepan in month now. Empress.
Empress. I don't know so that me do go din in my ama.
Oh.
Patri would have me chicha we man now.
Okay.
You know as me person Ghana for because my.
Oh no, yeah.
Mati. Yeah, you swear be beautiful.
All right.
Patrick, edin de we change about me yo.
Just a little oil.
Oil
because I hear meat no, a bit ye na oil a baby.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I say meat no so oil kakra.
We used to keep to later if it's not enough you can add more, but just to be on the safe side no. You should.
Wow. Jene no dia onipa no betumi atwitwa no. Size bi open bi anase.
Yeah, open bi.
Anyhow, you no ano. And spaghetti bolognese mi be dia wie no maka ho asem. Mi be dia wie maka ho asem serious.
Okay. Tem say oil na ye hot.
Aye hot nti yenye den.
Yemfa jene ni ngum.
Yemfa
jene ni
ngum.
Okay.
Okay, sister good. Sister good. Oh here let me hear more.
Okay.
Nti no. Me me dia no na wo you.
And now okay tilapia be now ye man. Oh, John and John said.
Oh, John.
I noticed you came with your own coal pot and everything.
Oh, but I'm count you. You could just see John and John. You go outside a crab, maybe them coupot in aqua and varofit with the conwedian. Maybe be beer and chimney. More. Ah, all right. Say Ghana for your day. Yeah, only on a guan one more edge. GH people, you know. Into no, yeah, connected.
Yeah, we blended tomatoes and mekuna album.
And mekuna album. Okay. See, we blended the young cat.
Yeah.
We will chop up. 4. Said them the blender ready.
It's no say.
Open crap, I move 2 pay. We will pan 4. Very strong. You see, we need now man's acquisition. Come on. Na anu na man kasa ye papa. Ne blender na ebetumi aye bi na eja bi no. Nti ye ne pepper no mebo.
Just a little. And you be an epe meko.
Na wo pe wo de.
Meko.
Nti wo na wo ye we de nti. Okay.
So I think our onions are brown now.
Onions not brown.
Nti the meat no.
Ebe kom.
Yes.
Me pa cho we mo mi anhwe ne ye. Bolognese no. Edina da so ne so. Nso an ya beka say je say Italy ni bi na ba ya ma. We dey Ahuof3 na ye Calibor's wife. And na ye. Nti no, we the oil kakra bi because oil wa meat ni. Kakra bi. Chew jene so meat no. Ya the garlic, ginger, onion, ya blended fry. And ya the fry meat no. And no ya dey gu oil no mu sesia. Inti they say me blend there na
Pachan.
Ready 1 2 3 Simple. Anna again?
No, it's fine. See, our meat no, will take like 10 minutes. Yet, per se brownie kakra.
Okay.
As near the Yamana.
You say you ever try meat no?
Yeah, start say vegetables. No,
You ever start vegetable? You be chicha.
Pachan.
And nyama we nyina. Na why you better man?
Why no? Yeah.
They drew wow. Okay, I know
Sakode can say missing ingredients.
Missing ingredients. Oh, okay. I do have better. Oh, sack. But your sack in here on McBrown's kitchen. Serious. Come on. And the free studio never have animal. We try a candy me. Find your ben ready animal. Into say by you, but you chow. All right, Mama plate into say. Okay. Okay. It's mean pie, Mama. You. Oh. Patri?
Yes, ma'am.
Say I bet you try na memoir.
Say
na I obia pe star bi obetumi atwitwa na say.
Star obia. But usually yes so do na we ya.
Oh. Enti o pesa yen keten.
Yeah, very like na me try. But let me say in 10 minutes na so enti yen check in. Oh. Wow. See,
it's really good.
Thank you. Maybe in toast the name pepper nebego.
Oh, okay. Now you can know your spices ni okay na
try. Oh, you can. We'll come on the show.
Tell me who stand am there Jumano. And
it's fine. So you should don't take it.
Wow, nti Bolognese don. Style here na ko hunu menu this one. I was Kohon menu we spaghetti bolognese was a yamashu. This way, daddy. First day me who menu so ala cat me. The send pound na to what be da. Ah, so ko restaurant na. E dia ni bi wona wonnimu a. Me de abewana na me gogu mu ani ma.
In toast ni nti ebema Ines just for some time. Now so net me area free.
Na so net to me area free. Inti e be bene kwan san ye be twitwa we mu no. Egu mu ana.
Yeah, by inti entwitwa si ho.
Entwitwa si ho preko. Okay. Inti ebusu afọ me pa chaw. Wo be twitwa afan, wo ntwitwa so na wo high sense chopper. Eno be ye adwuma no ma simple. But as say we ye dey twan aye ni hwe yi na ye gira akwa ide. Me dey slide dey ho. Ebe base kama.
Nice.
Oh yes. Say we ebe kwa aduane mu time.
Oh, it's still not being real cry.
Still not being
you don't want it to cook too much. Answer na. I say nyeme wo aduane ni asa.
Yeah. Abrana na me yi nkeche. Me yi star. Inti awon fe na year be na call. Nafty.
Pachan.
Year be na call.
2011.
2011.
Pachan.
E wana ukoshi Calibos.
Pachan.
No so be share direct.
Calibos cinematography.
O be koso camera mu.
Pachan.
Okosia camera mu.
But once uko school first 2 years you do all the courses together. So we're in the same class for 2 years. As now you call level 300 Obia call focus say one major so. Yeah.
Do question direct and a Calibos who question so bejina camera.
Pacha.
And mo refuse somebody na camera netina.
Calibos nika Calibos.
I want them say. Enti Ghana for some more na mo they kind of cameraman no. Over cameraman. I'm very curious how you man be. Yeah. Carrots no. The spring onion the bend.
And you see a betricha.
Ye betricha. Wow sir. Yeah, minced meat no. See just any tomatoes. Nini ye de minas na appetite so kama. Into
sense no very nice.
All right. Ye we be kan no ahwe. Na come auntie. On fe yam blended bibia bi.
Pacho there be we it's yaka spring onion snippet.
Yaka spring onion snippet. Say be twitwa. Na dey say ye we bibia it's spaghetti da be.
Yeah, the basic susi ya. Eno dey enchenti.
Oh, okay. Na Onre.
Hey.
Merci.
Thank you. Thank you. Cheers.
Hey, I grazie. Me mama nkran ba ko ye ne da no. Aja grazie. Cheers. Iga baby yo. Good. Yes. Hey, na dey idea ni be the papa. On the entire overall yansano. Said we are betting me attach bibia. The Ntiakadia odoba.
Aka spring spring onions.
And your fault. No ma. Yeah, the one is was here. Na ya butter in ya cheese. And chineka kraso ni si ha ma. Wow. We ni mama fa we free now.
Thank you.
Ya bola sha ka we de bibia wo.
Okay dear.
Bibia wo.
Everything.
Bibia into so betwitwa nketwa. Yo. Alpha me mama.
Yeah, she still lines you.
Okay. So wait. All right. Yeah, train the you try BBSC or not say. By the time spaghetti in bekoja so no. Na we ni so bekom na say duare na be. Intim pacho say wo hwe me na fe na obeto McBrown's kitchen so a. Yeah, go through aduane na ye sisi ano na. Me ka obi we say fa pen and paper. Na also watimi aye be ma re fi bi wo mu kra. The dikai ingredients na minced meat.
Yeah.
Fresh tomatoes.
Onions,
ginger, garlic, vegetables, green pepper, carrots, spring onions, and basil, basil. And also the parsley was a parsley. What the brother no dia no me kai wo. Enti ni nyina mo no, wo be hia butter, cheese, and chineka kind of spaghetti.
Yeah.
Na minced meat no, on man minazin spices. Or the seasoning nika crack 1 sachet good minced meat no more. And or the garlic, ginger, onion or blended fry. And or che small onion, so no shegumna.
Thank you.
And no action spices no real more fine. And I any tomato, the onion, the pepper, or blending or diagu. Into spaghetti, Bolognese, and that's a mincemeat stew. No, a very simple. I'm now. Very, very simple. Into when so the over here, mean for we go. Wow. Pia, go a catchy, odoba. Nana, we appear see a catchy, so will be no prefer. Will be no preposition, be our woman, me feel. Be your dear.
Okay.
Wow. It's here, we make you sooner or later. Good.
You see, I will just wait on our stew. We can start with the spag.
We can start with it.
Spaghetti.
But I want to know kind. We can start with the spag. Hey.
Yes.
You say sa na okasa. Na, into go school we quiz uko bida quiz.
Manya bida.
Why no quiz na? Because by the time I kasa we na I don't wanna bon. Great. Wow, this is beautiful. It's I wish I for you try say yeah tomato no. Benum kakra na. Ediani bayede. Ediani bayede. Inti say o say emu no etwe.
Yeah.
No. Me awie means me. Okay. Inti ane ye be ma no. Enya abotre. Na watwe. Inti say twi ya o de cheche me.
Inti a twi ya.
Abene kura na sana we work.
So we'll taste, probably add some salt, and we'll add wine. The wine will bring out the meat flavor.
Wine will bring out the meat flavor.
The wine kaka. I mean, depends on you. Now,
me say as of when you.
As of when maybe chow. But they eat. I mean, you go to the restaurant, you eat it, and some people don't even know there's wine in it.
And there's of be a DB pay. Anna, some of the river got that. Everyone who's off into Miss Row. Anyway, spaghetti bolognese. So wine there, Anna.
This is cry or Danise your wine.
Or Danise your wine, yeah, the Gianitino. And then the baby, and kakra be a little,
yeah.
Okay. And then me first time I cry, I didn't want baby and I'm ready.
But yes, that's young sense you for spaghetti.
Yes, sense you for spaghetti. Okay, my mom soup. So I'm the kind of Bibia woman. Come on, not say I want fair.
It is Empress.
What the that is so who is a kind of crew.
Everything.
Now we didn't say peace.
Fish, Minkayo.
Peter.
Minkayo. Banana.
Midiago. I'm for many theatre.
I know.
Many theatre. This show was your anam in Sojanum. It's say there. Yes, she is your idea, you Diana. Spaghetti, you know about
just one. Okay. Just a little.
On the mouse spoon.
Okay.
So we put salt. No meaning say, acting Casano no. Until say me no share John and John. Eh, no Casa actiana. O character no. Now what conda? What conda can you ma fe? Yeah, I conda no. Me ko ya che.
But what conda?
But me sana there. Hey.
Okay, yeah, the butter kakra. Opa, you can add oil.
Okay.
Yeah, I like the butter because it man different.
Different taste. Into butter, and now we have butter and
yeah. Just
okay.
So that's spag
no,
and stick it. Names me 1-1.
Names me 1-1. Tasty Tommy spaghetti so they be 1-1. Wow. Wow, until you real butter. Okay. Nah, yeah, then.
Inchne. Just a little.
My mouse.
Okay. Thank you.
Kakrebi.
Now, Fadia, you share oil kakra.
Okay. Oil kakra.
Yes.
Na.
And tare.
Okay.
Just a little.
Oil kakra. Sabia spaghetti na entire. Good.
So we wait for it to boil. Now you
It is a baby edu no. Ye be ma ensuo na hu. Na ye de spaghetti na gum. Spaghetti ni gum wi a na afi aka de aka. Ye be twa am na hu ensuo akiri. McBrown's kitchen. Aduane ped there. Hey, said there. Spaghetti Bolognese no e tu fa menum no. Ene me hunim no abe pie mi tiri mu no. Trasa me di one dance here. Stew no there. I mean, ekoye. And they say yes, you know so. Ehu. Inti they say ye tasty tom spag. Tell me there me titini me kind of long spaghetti. Tasty tom spag. Spag. Tasty tom spag. Wow. Now I'm trust that be the spaghetti. Okay. So on sawa where simple. Great.
Hey, Matty. Thank you.
You know now. You didn't know come. Wow, you be did ankasa.
Okay.
You were you know. Take and no. Yeah. A baby moi. Mama nyama na so be bibi wa no.
Okay. All right, thank you. Yeah, still need so na rekakra nti. Yeah, the wine no.
Wine ne be kosi sabre. Oh, okay. The wine no kakra bi on. But now it's a wine no fan be breve say anasa say ope be breve.
Oh, it depends on you really.
Red wine. Okay.
Enye ne demo.
Enye dia demo. Wow. Yeah, baby, I like the way you do shit. Abna, baby.
Yes. Okay, so see, we are almost done.
We are almost done.
I can say in student baby and I spad me so.
A baby. Okay. Ebusiafo say we are almost done. Almost done. Say spaghetti in baby. Na vegetables no so be stew. Yeah. Okay. You better try my you better see who said the way in auntie. You be nya home. Ana me boa. You want no time pa. I want penny. Patri. McBrown's kitchen. Aduane ped there. And na me kitchen the Ahuof3 style. What I say? Ahuof3 style. You corn Bolognese spaghetti. Spag. Mama fe.
Yes.
You drew him fa.
Sisi aye.
Hey, me te wine nko. Hey, you know be here akra. Wa be da kwa mo. Say yes spag na.
I already.
Okay. Yeah, you see suka crab. You know me say okay. Wow.
So you
fine. Tasty tom spaghetti no. Inti ye be sua na. And you dey so be here.
Yes, Sonia. Yeah.
Okay, bring it. I mean, do job. Oops. The Sonia. Wait a minute. Oh no! Yeah, Nadia.
It's okay.
Kafra.
Oh, it's okay.
Kafra. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, wait there. To be honest, we now have a fault. Hey, Kafra. I show Kafra. Yen shemu.
Okay.
Je me nyina je. O ma me amebo mi. Kafra. Wow. On say de no ananti no. Ba kokra anka,
yeah.
Into head into aka be no ananti. And the fa pipe na no. The pipe is yours. Kafra, Patri, Kafra. Yen say. Na. Emfa baby auza. O de say. Auntie, my me the same.
Akosi
ade.
Watsma.
Akosi Watsma. Magosia. Noa. Nhwe. Okay. Nhwe she me frase. It's no na ye be.
Oh, it's fine.
It's fine, no. Yeah, Jesse was Okay. Lady, I'm a kitchen. I mean, Yamawa. Good. I mean, tell me about so far, honey. A dish. Ah, never, Mamma, not sure. I want Patri's bag. Patri, say no. Or say a day, Bibia Koi, what is next?
Yen share is stew, no share.
Okay. Yen share is stew, no share. Say, will be here.
It's your cacao.
Yes, souvenir spoon.
Thank you.
And Chinica crabby account. Okay. Good. Seminazin, the beef no efra namno. Come into no. And namno, the anyani taste and cassa. But then a bomuni in our combination. Wouldn't the jollof not so one when you're bad? Okay.
Okay. So say I am fine.
Yeah, what one here? You okay?
Let me try. Okay.
Are you okay? Okay.
See, you bet me the vegetables.
You bet me the vegetables, no good. But then butter, no cheese, no baby.
The butter is for the spaghetti.
And then the cheese?
Cheese no for stew, no.
For stew,
yeah.
But no, become time.
I know your last thing cry become.
Last thing cry.
You wait for ye. Or say me titi.
Or say titi. You know. I put for my son. Bessel. All right. Okay. And you know the cheese is the last thing the beko stew. And the butter is for the spaghetti. The salt is done. It's in the way bewaha. I mean, you have quick cry. Who say you?
Thank you.
The salt is done. When you real wine or some bois. It's you know when on the bed, on the bed.
No, mano. You know.
Na mentiti we no more. However, everyone the flavor, I think. Everyone the flavor. We are titi ni na. Macrabi. Yeah. Today I can be free.
Inti ye the butter no. Ebe fra spaghetti no.
The butter na fra spaghetti no. Say be ya. E ho no be true na ebe man taste for me boa. Na ensan ke kam
yeah.
On say wo no e betumi akeka bom na. Nti ne de 90 omega 3 oil gum no. Maybe or the butter gum. 90 boa e ma akeka mom but aben na ujasi o sa so e normal say betumi akeka mom ti no. Nti matiti we na ma. Na say e wie ye de na sa. Wow. Ooh, betumi de agum a. E wo say for baby adun de ye wie ye de na sa. Bibia ko ye stew no mo. Ye bolognese. Inti aka cheese no.
But cheese no one said not everybody likes the cheese. You can have the stew on its own. You can person metia no separately. Nana can eat the cheese now so that you can have options.
And I say idea betumi add the cheese.
You can sprinkle, yeah.
Oh, okay. Mpacho either sell this cheese no be good stew nimo. And I say what is stew no good spaghetti and hot no so. Cheese no be was nice say. What you say? Me won anyway you pa me the pass me hu ye. Into the aye no enko baby a ye be putting it together na ya consume one by ye try one abansa. Awon Patri, why are there?
Thank you.
Wait, what's show my men monyam. Who's that? Yeah, what's here?
Today, I am hosting the family. And as usual, the ones who judge everything you do will also be there. Like Uncle Nee, the school judge.
I think you should put the children in another school, okay?
Auntie Ama, the behavior judge.
You are too lenient with them.
And my sister-in-law, the fashion judge.
Sister, you cannot dress like that, oh.
Though people sometimes feel differently, you must be strong and confident in your decisions. But one thing they'll always agree on is the delicious taste of your cooking. With its rich color and thick paste, Tasty Tom Enriched Tomato Mix is strengthened with fiber and vitamins to provide delicious and nutritious meals for the whole family. Tasty Tom Enriched Tomato Mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hisense fridge, entry power, and more kabia. Yes, also my 5 years warranty.
Your gas and electric cooker so there. Stainless steel and your dia suru and Renachi. Nesu kitchen. Utum so chrome. FT 18th April, adequacy 8th May. And your Hisense double promo. FT 18th April, adequacy 8th May. And your Hisense double promo. Fridge any cookano. Ya tete so.
What Hisense showroom bia? Ya tete so am say who. Hisense, still everyday prices for everyday people.
2351251.
Delay sardine, peche like that.
McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pede. When the kitchen there, what say? Oh yeah, Diane na with the city and ye. Into who be this one with the city and never be. Mama ya say, Ediane no be pana me attitude not to san. Sana te come yo. And no me mama age or Canada was a more ya. Kasa. McBrown's kitchen, Ediane pede. Me pacho. Ahuof3 Patri. Spaghetti Bolognese. Ahuof3 musician Ghana for. Mo de mon kanokre. Na ko fanyo mba ko say okay so on me ebo Angela man tino. All right, yanko. Anywhere you there, I go near you. My chérie gogo, mama nani. Ebe do Angela, na tam na so. Yes. Angela, you want you? Ahuof3. You be candy and so I but said the smell no, a family no so a day, and no so by a day. Well, when we was the program because at this venture, a dream ra, you appreciate your guest. Ahuof3, you appreciate McBrown's kitchen, you appreciate your guest so much. Me say, mama. Mini show. Man frame a man to me care ya ma mini show. No creda wa na ka. Inti me so no se wo ba na obeche Bolognese me ka bibia ma dio restaurant sa me nim se this here. Ti na me hu ye. Wa wonim Bolognese so na wa hu no. Say a na ye no so usua ye nkwan dia wo so betumi aye bi wo fie. Ahuof3 ye da se pa se wo bai. But the di kind no me ana me ye crew way. Ai. Me ma obi wate. Inti crew way McBrown's kitchen. Yeah, dear. Thank you, sir. Bye. What? But so we are sure. Yeah, why wouldn't say sure? No. I'm not near you. Me wo. Tasty Tom. More jollo. Said and now say meat stew. He say no. Ube to me the beer boom.
Yes.
But and then now person try. You feel.
Spaghetti crash.
Spaghetti now, yeah, maybe
thank you.
Tasty Tom, so you're more baby.
Thank you.
I see you now, yeah, ma. McBrown's kitchen, men from Munia Gonda. Now, but could be so hassle. Hisense.
Oh.
We are baby, and I said, I know what you tried, you know. Now I say, me Pasagana for so bet to make you try and who knows intend to trouble you. Hisense, chopper, with the carrot, ni shemwa, one at the cock, or back cock. You trying to come away and no one's forward. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
For coming. Try never see her mommy. Naka last one.
Hey.
And now, oh yes. Hey, sir, Ahuof3. Madam, me kwa me guest you. If I pray so hard.
Thank you.
But today when na ya wodia. Me nye wodeni. Ahuof3 we ye boy. Afa adu aduane na so. We nti na me kwa Ahuof3 no. First of all, McBrown's kitchen. Ye de nam. Ebe chire enuane ye. Yeah, teacher, your youth, said ye see ye near because and the school near my pino, the brain nephew, I'm ever saving.
Patri.
Let's have your home. The brain nephew into the spaghetti, dear simple. One said ye see the oil on the fry in it, and Timmy and come one come. One found Friday, I bet you take away. We are now boomaba. About once, I'm for down the bed, Dentino. To be counted.
Oh, yeah, Midas.
Oh, what that time?
That be me, okay.
Me, dear master said it was your baby, and a man for some dear dinner who said, whoa, I know, and then midnight Januna, she's in your one. You bet the animal break. My own day. No. Okay.
Yes.
Media medipower. Yeah, they also say the cheese in the fry.
Yeah.
I mean to be a cheese in one. Yes.
Hey, no, what's with any pen or the other?
Our family, Sabra, what we are now, Pacovi. Yeah, we are. I ready to have a baby, you know. Wow. Oh, and how?
Okay.
And you for which one to
Thank you.
Na, yeah, Baby DJ. Yeah, Babon Comocacra. I'm for Conan Brow and you want it. May you free. So you're more comfortable, Neja. Spaghetti Bolognese. And I know this someone watching na another thing. Now, if you did the more Comocacra.
Okay.
Miss Malika, yeah, Ben, I'll call Miss Malika.
2011.
2011, I'll call Miss Malika. And now, say.
I made it to top 10.
You made it to top 10. In two National Theatre.
Patri.
Oh, okay.
Stage, top 5, your boy name's Namen Cow.
And I say, I can't.
So I'm assuming.
It's you sweeper. First 10. Yeah, you free, mono. Your boy first 5 now on count. And as me, Miss Nadine. Now, there was no one qualified for first 10 as well.
So, no, you know, the closer you get to it, the more you want it. I mean, in the earlier stages, yeah, you were, which I don't feel at Sawa stage, and so when him said, today is the day. I'm Nikki, and upon I much know that I consider say,
oh, well, Bradley. But to God be the glory, say, even though Sawu Stanis animal, who we near my popular.
Yeah.
When we near Boma, you move you near, but you are one of the fewer or more popping up out of miss now.
A year later, and you start say boys casa.
A year later, now call Nafti.
There be I was in Nafti whilst I was in Miss Malika. I went for the auditions, and I think a few weeks later, I was admitted into Nafti.
Oh, okay. Into no, when Yana na send me could directing name opportunity about say. Short videos
yeah.
Over here. And then what drilling Calibos so Calibos again you. Calibos reality girlfriend
TV.
TV. Mojai. Reality TV is Mojai na. Na se me
Mojai me akofa wa ya.
Na se Calibos e wa dia. Hey. Anyway.
Yes.
Who buy Gina camera anymore? Abuaw.
Of course.
Abuaw kwambeso.
In a lot of ways, I think it's made me more confident, and a baby a quite baby mommy.
Nintio.
But say it's made me more confident, and a baby a quite baby mommy. Yeah.
And to say, director no be koso na obe person be na camera.
I'm going to direct and produce my own stuff very, very soon. Very soon.
What else only confiance on you do?
Yeah, I work with everybody.
Oh, they're going to do our work so I want any calibers na there be a home no. Oko pene na ye juma unya no ne ade ade.
Oh, there.
O manager na why na say ba so bi better no aye juma. Also be a show once.
Yeah.
The perception is that our friend calibers the
you're not the first person saying that.
Yeah. So be who knows. Oh no. contact now the night.
Of course, if you need me, of course it has to depend on what exactly you need us to do. But then you can talk to my manager. You can talk to me.
Who is the manager?
He's called Erasmus.
Erasmus. Yeah. Oh, okay. And you could hear someone.
Catch that.
Oh no, me person me claim me
yeah.
Oh, for BB or not my friend, you know. Until they ain't sure any ben out there.
Cecilia, dear, I'm Cecilia finished that year, so all things are like we're still discussing, work in progress. But Coco Brown is still on. It's on Sundays at 6:30 on GH1. Yeah.
Coco Brown. Yeah, you a GH1. So no one will play lead, you know. Delay lifestyle. And I will play. And you're bad. Series they've been for a long time. And you know, and the cash not bow.
Mrs.
Oh, I want to me see watch it. No credit one, I want to see watch it. But I'm so
I'm taking your steps.
Hey, okay. What's the confidence number, Antino? You can take the steps. My mimi saw I did. And then pan out to see a car. I want 7 pan what to see account to me. So radio so Etimu.
I think the last I don't know what to call it. A story came out about me being an addict and stuff. And you see, my problem wasn't really about the story. My problem was about the fact that they involved my mom. Yeah.
Story
yeah. They said that my mommy had come out distressed and stuff. And my mommy would never do such a thing, okay? And she was really sad because she said people kept calling her, asking her why she would say something like that. And it was really
no Bianca.
No.
And I don't know big to because your story say.
I have no idea.
Wouldn't you a journalist be an interview, mommy?
Me, if you think I'm quiet, my mommy is worse. Nobody has spoken to her, and my mommy would never say that. You see, and I felt I felt like that was a very low blow because you don't really mess with someone's mom like that.
Yeah.
You get it, so.
Wow, it's journalist, yes, so much I am verify Niamabi. Detail. Yes, I want Patrina. I mean, sometimes I would take your name a celebrity now to me, especially when you cannot go to every home and to defend yourself. Yeah. Even if you sit on TV and say, how many people will watch it at the same time?
And I know I'll be misquoted again.
Don't worry. As long as you know and you feel safe.
Yeah.
No credit. Maybe the one thing about me says, who be me share my bisa me trim say, pa. Even the baby I say, especially a parent, no one change man no my wife. But then you move on with your life. So what are you going to tell the young ones? Once I would chase us, it's me. What are you going to tell the young ones on mobile?
I'm say first of all,
I say, you are young in the business, but I'm be in a position. We'll be so down more.
First, now you need to know, sir, there's nothing good that comes easy. Say if you want something, you need to be ready to put in work. Seriously, I'm very hardworking, and I know you're also very hardworking, but it's just that most of the time it's just the glamorous stuff that we see on TV. So people see and they think that everything is okay, but then you need to put in a lot of work, and you need to be strong, and you need to always remember God.
And then, Mami Misawe, coming the best out by Mami Misawe.
Yeah.
What share with you, my see? Said the castle young girl be bemwa. Na ya pesi and then the da and ya dadin. Who experience a woman say?
Yeah, I had that. Yeah. Let me tell you a funny story. So Brad been at Mekoni auditions. And that thing happened, no per se, and I'm saying that. And because of that I didn't get what I wanted. Yeah. And he met me a few years later after I became Ahuof3 Patri. And he didn't remember me. He was like, oh, Ahuof3 Patri, I'm such a huge fan. Yeah.
And I said, well,
man can't share.
I know kind of team is such a huge fan. Can't family may use him. McBrown's kitchen. And I will show you. Said the aduane na ye den ye betwa nkomo no so. Ye de mo si ha. Na wo hwe sene ya se hia. Ye da Ahuof3 Patri ase. Priscilla Prissy sasa na ka tene shop. Wo school na organize me your friend nickname o kakaka.
Na still near very nice.
Sela. Malabu ko ma se asela. Sela. Wow. Adofo nyina na McBrown's kitchen ye ne mu be wie. Ya. Me didi se enne so no. Wasua bibi foforo. Enne de yesesa mu kakra. Ai se Priscilla we ni age na. Dia obeya ma na age mate ya na waye nti no. Me fa ne sa but ede enu ne hia. Ahuof3 ye da ase. Me pa cho. Me da maboafo ase. Aboafo papa, aboafo masomi mu, omumu aduro. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Ansa na tasty tom. And na wuko jaswa tomato mix ba kwa obeto. And no any tasty tom. Good for you. And I'm more your love. What you say? Into me the movie see her. But if you watch me carefully today, I am looking sumptuous like the food. Mama. Ma obi nya me obemene me kra. Ene me wan fe pa. Once a wa debi wa ho ye fa wo se ne wan fe. Ene me ka bibia Cinderella tiase a. Ka me kwaje di ni free ne sam. The first Cinderella tiase. Ma ese chobi no fe. Ene me wigi every impact salon helmet your woman helmet. Eh wig no ma ye ne san ma bi too. Ana me nim asiesie. Me pacha wedding engagement program bay dinner bia na Finalizing ko Instagram checking obe say oh no every contemporary obe buses dia aligina na ye me makeup come me pacha fabric na share me share yin every Julico fabric e wo opposite fire service makola Julico majuli bona infe for wa e na ne pam so dia Nicolene GH Nico na the line LINE aso Nicolene GH na the GH aso ube hu Nico kama me pa cho me shempa bwa kambu kafasi ai paradise nakers na de ma me kumase Instagram ube hu no kwa me damu ase pa me ho ayefe adofo amo hwe me damu ase nyame nhyiramo enne me number bi obi aka McBrown's kitchen e dey an McBrown's kitchen Amrina so na mrene so yesem no be di ehia we be kababa na hwe McBrown's kitchen say you YouTube inti ko subscribe na hwe McBrown's kitchen dey yedi kan ye no nyina e wo ho ha be hu dokono ye ha bunabunu be hu ye ha jollof be hu ye ha nkruma stew be hu ye ha agushi just be bia nuane no edidim kama ko YouTube be hu. Follow me on Instagram. I'm a McBrown. Follow me sponsors now on Instagram. They follow Ahuof3 Patri. Patri is on Instagram. Intim pacho. You be say share na oche sene. But me can't send be say. Onyame de. Why ready so be shira. Eye wo and na be mo quantity o de be shira. It be real in making money. So we are real ready. We shira so sa ma ne basa. We are say ye be real in everything. Be real in making money. And no, we try me short can say brim. BRIMM. Be real in making money. Brim. You be share na what you say. Back to Bolognese. You go Italy.
McBrown's kitchen. Again, McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Again, McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.